In this question, we are given the equation of the line y plus 2x equals 10. The first thing that we're asked to do is work out the coordinates of where it cuts the y-axis and the x-axis. So, we cut the y-axis at the point where x equals 0. So we're going to substitute that into the formula and solve. So you can see that is going to give us y equals 10. Therefore, the coordinate of A is going to be 0, 10. We cut the x-axis at the point where y equals 0. So again, we substitute it in. Will give us 0 plus 2x equals 10. Solving gives us x equals 5. Therefore, B must be the coordinate 5, 0. Okay, part 2. We're asked to work out the perpendicular bisector of the line AB and work out the equation. So the key point is, first of all, it's the bisector and it's perpendicular. Now, if you don't know where to begin, always do what you can, and if needs be, we can plot our points for A and B and sketch. Okay, we know it's a bisector, so we need the midpoint, which we can see we're looking for. And we're also going to be finding the line perpendicular, so it's going to be something to do with the gradients. Okay, so we're going to first of all work out the midpoint of the coordinates A and B. So we've got our standard formula illustrated. So therefore, we add our x values together, divide by 2, and the y values, and divide by 2. Therefore, the midpoint, 2.55. Okay, the next thing was establishing the gradient of the line AB. So using the y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, I can do rise over run and work out the gradient. Comes out to be 10 divided by minus 5, which is minus 2. Now, I need to work out the gradient of the line perpendicular. So using the connector m1 times m2 equals minus 1, I can see that the gradient of the line perpendicular must be a half. Now, work out the equation of the line. We can use y equals mx plus c and substitute. Y value is 5. Gradient is equal to a half. And our x value is 5 over 2. Now it's a non-calculator paper, so just be careful evaluating the c value. So I've just simplified that step. Common denominator is going to be 1, was 1, so I'll make it 4, so 20 over 4 minus the 5 over 4 gives it the c value, which is 15 over 4. And then put the equation together, making sure you give the answer in the form that they ask for.